Troubleshooting the This Localhost page can't be found error in Vite with React. Running into a This Localhost page can't be found error can be frustrating, especially when you're developing a React application with Vite. Below, we'll explore why this specific error might occur and how you can troubleshoot the issue to get your development environment back up and running smoothly. Understanding the error. When you see the This Localhost page can't be found error, it's essentially the browser indicating that the requested URL cannot be found on the server. This can occur for several reasons, particularly when working with modern front-end tooling like Vite, which is tailored for fast development with features such as hot module replacement. Common causes. Incorrect base path configuration. Vite, by default, assumes that your project is being served from the root of the server. If your project setup deviates from this assumption, you need to configure the base path properly in the Vite configuration file, vite.config.js. Routing issues. React Router and other client-side routing libraries allow for smooth navigation within single-page applications. Vite needs to be configured to handle these routes correctly by redirecting all requests to the index.html file. Inconsistent development server. Ensure that your Vite development server is running. A stopped or improperly configured server can lead to the This Localhost page can't be found error. You can check if the server is running by reviewing your terminal output or confirming the server status in your editor. Port conflicts. Vite's default port is 3000, but port conflicts can cause the development server to fail to start correctly. Check if another service is already running on this port or try changing the port in your vite.config.js file. Steps to resolve. Check Vite configuration, verify settings in your vite.config.js file, paying close attention to the base path and potential customization required for your project setup. Routing configuration, ensure that your server redirects all routes to index.html, especially when using React Router. Validate server status, confirm that the Vite development server is up and running by checking your terminal or trying to build the project manually. Inspect network port, perform a quick check to confirm that no other applications are using the same port, or configure your server to use an alternative port. Conclusion. The This Localhost page can't be found error in a Vite-powered React application can stem from various sources, but often involves configurations around the server setup, base paths, or route handling. By following the steps outlined above, you can systematically troubleshoot and resolve this issue to continue developing your React application efficiently. In case you are still encountering issues, consulting the Vite and React documentation for more detailed explanations and examples can often provide additional insights into resolving such errors.